Hey, welcome back to Lupo Outdoors. I'm here with Ben from Shooters Global, and it's one of the coolest, most exciting things I've seen when it comes to making sure that your rifle is perfectly straight while you're shooting those long distance shots. Ben, why don't you tell us about your product?
Yeah, so this is called the SG Sight Pro. It's an evolution of the already existing product, the SG Sight, which was initially just electronic level for precision shooting. This time it takes it further with the display and the 3 buttons over here. So now it can actually also give you the stage timer and the dope card. You can program all that in the mobile app or the device itself before you go to the stage. Then once you're there, you can hit the middle button, release it, the stage timer starts counting, and with the buttons over here you can switch between the corrections. So you have your target 1, target 2, 3, 4, etc. And then you can also have the angle readout of the horizontal and vertical angles, and you have your accessory port over here. So what this allows you to do is attach the remote button, and you can use this to start the timer and switch between the corrections on the dope card. And you have your eyepiece LEDs over here, which are actual LEDs and not the light wires, so they're very bright, and they sit right behind your crosshair, so you don't need to look anywhere, take your eyes off the target. And when you disconnect it, it goes back to the LEDs over here. Connects to a mobile app, tracks the muzzle during the shot, so then when you go to the mobile app, all your shots would be separated and each shot would have an animation of the muzzle when you took that shot. So yeah, that's packs quite a lot of features, and it's going to be available in fall or late summer 2025, and the MSRP is $300.
So on my channel, we'll be talking about this in more detail. I will put links to their page in the description below right away. So I recommend you going and checking this out. Now, there are other products out there that do level works, but not to the level that they're doing. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it, Ben.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.